Imagine turning your blog post into any kind of content in minutes, be it a Facebook post, LinkedIn post, a Twitter X tweet, a TikTok video script, YouTube video script, an email, or any other content you can think of. With MyPal, you can build a custom AI tool for yourself that will do just that. It's very easy. First, let's create a new AI workflow. You can choose from a template from the template library we have already provided, or you can leverage Generate with AI feature. In this case, let's ask MyPal to given a blog post, generate the following kind of content: a Facebook post, maybe a LinkedIn post, a Twitter tweet, a script for a TikTok short video, a script for a YouTube video, and finally, a marketing email. Feel free to customize this instruction to fit your needs. Let's generate with AI. Now, MyPal is suggesting the initial draft for this AI workflow. Essentially, this AI workflow will take in the blog post content in the form of text, and it will execute 5 steps as you can see here. LinkedIn post, Twitter tweet, TikTok, YouTube, marketing email, exactly the way I have asked it. Now, I can assign an agent that is available in my workspace to this step. I have built an agent for LinkedIn content, so I'm gonna assign it here. I also have a Twitter tweet post agent, so I'm gonna assign it here too. For TikTok, YouTube, and marketing, I will let the AI create an agent for these steps. Let's save the workflow. Now we are inside the AI workflow builder on MyPal, where you can further customize the AI workflow to your exact needs. First, let's look at the input. This workflow will take one input field, blog post content in the form of long text. I'm gonna change it to URL instead because I have published my blog post on my website. Depending on your case, you can modify it the way you want or add new fields such as additional requirement for the content to be generated. For me, this is good enough. So let's go over the steps to be executed after the blog post content is provided to the workflow. Just like my initial requirement, this workflow will execute 5 steps: LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, and email. Feel free to add more steps as you wish, such as another one for Facebook or Instagram. Each of these steps will be assigned to an AI agent on MyPal to execute. Think of them as a specialized AI assistant built for you, trained by you to perform a specific task. And her task is to generate the corresponding piece of content based on the original blog post. To ensure these steps provide the best output possible, you can customize the prompt or the agent herself. In this case, I don't think the LinkedIn post from the first step is necessary information for my marketing email step, so I'm gonna remove this part. For this particular agent, I can click on her to view her specific settings to see whether there are areas for improvement. In this case, I can use MyPal's built-in Enhance This Background feature to automatically enhance her background and design format. Knowledge is a section where I can provide additional knowledge to this agent so that she has better context about what she's doing. In this case, I don't think these are necessary, so let's move on to the output settings where I can customize the language as well as the style, Sylvia's style here. So I'm gonna assign the style to the agent. I can also select another model to this agent as well. GPT-4o Mini is the default, but MyPal also gives you access to a wide range of other models, from Anthropic to Google to Grok, that you can choose depending on your use case. You can continue editing the workflow until you are satisfied with the setup. Once your workflow is ready, you can start using that right away. Let's take this sample blog post URL as an input and start running this workflow. Now, MyPal will read the blog post content and perform the steps exactly the way you have configured. From the LinkedIn post to Twitter tweet to TikTok video script to YouTube script and last but not least, a marketing email. As you can see, in a matter of seconds, we have already generated 5 different types of content that is ready to be posted across platforms to promote your stellar blog post. But this is just a starting point. What if you want to process not just one blog post, but multiple blog posts all at once? Or what if you want to share this AI workflow with others or embed it onto your website? All of these are possible on MyPal. Now it's time for you to go ahead to mypal.io and start building an AI workflow for yourself. I will see you in our next videos. Take care.